Hello everyone, I'm Nandini from CAD NEST Nagar. So today we are going to learn with the next drawing tool of an AutoCAD, that is rectangle and polygon. So first one we'll go up with the rectangle. So take rectangle. As soon as you take up the rectangle, you'll be popped up with 5 options here. So first one, it is a chamfer. So I'll take up chamfer and I'll be specifying the first x value, that is 20, enter, and next y value, it is also 20. Now I'm going to draw the rectangle based on dimension. So here you can see area, dimension and rotation. So I have taken the dimension part and I'll be typing the value of my rectangle. Now you'll be having a doubt regarding the chamfer. So chamfer is nothing but the chopped end of an rectangle, right? So x and y value is nothing but the chopped of x value and chopped of y value. So this is the two chamfer values that I have typed, so that I'll be trimmed off with that portion of rectangle. So this is first kind of a rectangle. Again, now next after this we'll be going on with the elevation. So take up elevation and type the elevation value. I'll give 50, enter, and again I'm going to draw this rectangle. So after drawing this, there is no difference between these two rectangles, but when we see it through the perspective or front view, you can see the height where the two rectangles are being placed. Okay, so this is elevation change. So I had raised my rectangle for 50, in the sense 50 meters or 50 centimeters. So after this we have fillet. Take up fillet. So fillet is also the same as that of your chamfer, but in fillet you will be having smooth curve. Chamfer will have sharp edges, fillet will be having smooth curves. So in chamfer you will be specifying x and y value. In fillet you will be specifying radius value. So radius I am taking 25, enter, and I am drawing it. So you can see I have smooth curves in my rectangle. So this is fillet term. So after fillet we have thickness. So take thickness, and thickness I will be specifying 25, enter, and I'm going to draw my rectangle this side. Now you are not finding any difference here, but if you see it from the front view, you can see the thickness. See, these are my regular rectangles, and here I have a rectangle where I have specified the thickness for this rectangle. Yes, like this. So this is thickness that you provide for rectangle, which will be helpful for you to see through 3D views. So after this we have width. So take up the width, and width I'll be specifying it as 50, enter. Now I'm going to draw my rectangle. So you can see width is nothing but the bold or the enlarged drawing section of a rectangle. In the sense, this is somewhat like line weight of a AutoCAD. So this is all about all these kinds of rectangle creation. Next we'll be going on with polygon. So take up polygon, specify how many number of sides of polygon you want. I'll just specify 5, enter, and this is of course to the edge. So I'm specifying this is my first point. From the edge I'm going to draw this and click. Or else, if you don't want the edge, if you are comfortable with the radius of a circle, in the sense specifying whether it is circumscribed or inscribed. So circumscribed or inscribed. So I'll be entering the value 6. I need 6 sided, and I'll be specifying the midpoint. So as soon as I specify the midpoint, you need to enter either it is circumscribed or inscribed. So I hope you people have understood rectangle and polygon in today's class. So in the tomorrow's class we'll be dealing on with ellipse terms. Thank you.